and I'm currently studying biomedical science at Lincoln University, doing a placement here at Diana, Princess of Wales Hospital. So follow me to the pathology lab. This is pathology, and most members of the public only know pathology for when they're coming for a blood test. Follow me. The patient will come with their forms filled out by the GP, and then the phlebotomist will prepare the bottles as needed. The phlebotomist will then apply a tourniquet and identify a vein. The samples are then taken into the laboratory and the bottles are colour-coded depending on what test is needed. The samples are then given a barcode and the required tests are logged onto the system. Tony! So this is the transfusion department, and in here we do blood grouping and cross-matching. And this is a unit of blood where it will have been donated at blood donations. So these analysers do a common test called the full blood count, and we're going to do it on the sample that we've just taken. A small sample of blood is taken in by the analyser and mixed with multiple reagents to make many parameters on the machine. Sorry. Minute, many parameters are produced, including white blood count and haemoglobin. So a high white cell count could indicate you've got an infection, and a low haemoglobin count could indicate you've got anemia or blood loss. The bottles check coagulation in the blood, and this analyser checks the clotting factors in the plasma. Any abnormal full blood counts have a blood film made and stained, and any abnormal cells can be evaluated under the microscope. This is an example of cells we might see under the microscope. After a while, the serum analysis samples clot and can be tested. Serum samples are spun down in the centrifuge before analysis. As you can see, the serum and the cells have separated. These clinical chemistry analysers do thousands of tests on serum every hour, including tests for liver and renal function and viral illnesses. Other disciplines that aren't based at Grimsby are microbiology, which is the study of microbes, histology, which is the study of tissues, and immunology, which is the study of the body's immune systems. So I'm currently studying biomedical science at Lincoln, and to get onto this course you'll need to study at least one scientific A-level. So during my placement I'll complete a registration portfolio to enable me to become a registered biomedical scientist in the NHS. So for those who don't have the correct entry requirements or who don't want to go to uni, there's also jobs as biomedical assistants or medical lab assistants here at Diana, Princess of Wales Hospital. So there we are, that was a quick introduction to life as a biomedical scientist at the Path Lab in Grimsby.